Okay, everybody, welcome back to real estate in Athens, Georgia. Today we are in the Founders Grove, Settlers Ridge neighborhood. Really nice neighborhood, about 10 minutes from downtown Athens and the University of Georgia. It's an interesting neighborhood in that it is located in Oconee County, but it is in Athens, Clark County, according to the map and the post office. So it's got a little lake over here on the right, and a friend of mine used to train for triathlon swimming in that lake. A lot of people thought he was crazy. Still think he's crazy, but anyway, you can swim in it. It is a private lake, as the sign little there says. Excuse me. And you can see that the lots are pretty decent size. Most of the construction is brick and hardy plank, and got some stone accents on some of these properties. But it's a pretty neighborhood with some rolling hills. We're in February as we speak, so the trees aren't blooming just yet, but you have some nice lots, especially when the seasons change and all of these are blooming. So this is typically a family neighborhood, so I'm shooting this around midday and no kids running around because they're all in school. But you can see these are some of the typical homes in the neighborhood. Price point for this neighborhood ranging anywhere from $600,000 to $1 million, kind of just depending on the lot size and the location around the water, and obviously what they've done to the house over time. And it's an interesting neighborhood because it's called Founders Ridge, and then on the backside it's called Founders Grove, and then on the backside is Settlers Ridge. And we're coming up into the Settlers Ridge part. But there's no real mark of you're now in a different neighborhood. So as we turn right onto Settlers Ridge Road, we're now in Settlers Ridge. And all the houses basically look the same, but it is two different neighborhoods. And up here on the right, actually where that van is, truck on the right, I actually bought that house years ago, renovated it, and sold it to a friend of mine, and then they have since moved. These people look like they're doing a bunch of renovation. And that's kind of an interesting corner lot. Bigger house up on the hill, and then this house in the cul-de-sac. I sold this lot years ago, and a friend of mine built this house, and my friends lived in it for years until I sold it for them a number of years ago, and they moved in town, or downtown. Again, this is Founders Ridge and Founders Grove and Settlers Ridge. I did it again, apologize. But a beautiful neighborhood here in Athens, Georgia, located in Oconee County, zoned for North Oconee High School, which is the top schools in the state. And just a little tour of this nice neighborhood. Anyway, if you have any questions about it, give me a call. This is Rain from Give Back Real Estate, and I hope you enjoyed today's little tour of real estate in Athens, Georgia. Have a great day. Do something nice for somebody.